आज के इवेंट के बारे में कुछ बताइएगा।
आज यहाँ पे मंत्रालय में जो इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया है दैट इज़ रिगार्डिंग द ग्लोबल वेलनेस डे सेलिब्रेशन, और उसी के साथ एक वेलनेस इंडस्ट्री में जो बच्चे फार्मर्स के जो बच्चे काम कर रहे हैं उनको स्पेशल टेक्निक देके हमने जो विशेष प्रोग्राम के लिए उनको रेडी किया है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द वेलनेस एट वर्क प्लेस. So overall the event is about the wellness and well-being lifestyle as well as the skilled manpower.
You are the Global Wellness Ambassador, and this is the Global Wellness Week. What do you want to comment on that?
Being as a global wellness ambassador, I feel that is everyone individual person has life to live healthy and better, and just creating the awareness through this platform, that is my intention. Each individual person should understand and give the value for their own life and respect their own life. That's it what I want. Through this wellness awareness, I know that is lot of job opportunity will be created for the village boys, and that's what I am willing to support and do work for that. Thank you.
And you have the CM's support. You have support from other celebrities like Dino Moria. You have support from Smita Thakre. How does that feel?
This support from CM has been always appreciated because he has been always looking forward for my work, and he has seen personally the kind of work what I have been doing for the village women and as well women empowerment as well as for the youth empowerment. And that's the reason from the beginning, like from the last year when I started Global Wellness Day celebration in India. So he has been supporting me, and till this year he has given me special support. So it's honor for me. And of course, this celebrity, this all dignitary who is coming here and supporting me, they are just like well wisher to me.
Right. Anything else that you would like to add?
I would like every individual person in India, everyone should understand and respect their own life. They will respect their own life. They will just look towards to the wellness industry. Automatically, directly, indirectly, they are helping many of youth and many of girls who is working in this industry and giving the wellness solution to anyone, everyone. So please support this initiative, create awareness and respect yourself.
Right. And any fitness secret that you'd like to give? Because obviously coming from you, it's going to be one hell of a thing.
I myself believe in the wellness lifestyle. And I said, if yourself is happy, individual person should be happy. So they keep others happy, and that's my secret. Just like I am very positive, and looking towards to positive life, and keeping always happy any circumstance. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. हाँ सर बोलो. Dino sir. Oh. Dino यार. Dino. Right here. Dino. पहले फोन में बात कर लेते हैं. झाला काय? मी घेतच नाही. Dino. सेंटर में. Dino सर यहाँ पर सर. हाँ. यहाँ पे लेफ्ट में. Dino सर. सेंटर. लेफ्ट. Dino से यहाँ पर. Dino सर सेंटर. Dino से यहाँ पर. मैम. Dino से. Dino से. The left side. Left corner, both of you to your left. Yeah. Yes, sir. Down. Click
पे आना है? कहाँ पे आना बताओ मुझे। अच्छा अच्छा मस्त मालिक सब लोग देख रहे मॉल जैसे क्या बात है रिलैक्स कैसे कर सकता हूँ मस्त सही है ना बहुत अच्छा जी अभी वर्कआउट किया इसलिए राइट है बहुत मतलब मसल जबरदस्त है ना हाँ ये बात सॉलिड है बहुत जरूर आऊँगा मैं
हो गया हो गया फोटो वीडियो हो गया
अरुणा जी
हो गया थैंक यू
I think it's a great initiative. We all keep saying, सब कहते हैं health is wealth. We only say it, we don't follow it. हम health पे ध्यान बिल्कुल नहीं देते हैं. So make it understand. I think if you're healthy, you can work hard and you can do well. So if you work, one wants to really take care of themselves. So global values there. Happy to be a part of this. I'm trying to do it best as possible because मैं जानता हूँ कि उस वक्त से मैं करता आ रहा हूँ be healthy, be fit and I know the effects of it, how it helps you in daily life. तो इसलिए मैं health को अपना बहुत प्रमोट करना चाह रहा हूँ. So I want people to come out and just be healthy. Hi, watch me. मुख्यमंत्री जी को क्या टिप्स देते होंगे उनको शायद बहुत सारे फिटनेस ट्रेनर्स हैं मगर इनको मैं ज़रूर कहना चाहता हूँ कि शायद 24 घंटे में तकरीबन 21 घंटे काम करते हैं उसमें से अगर वो आधा घंटे अपने लिए दे सकते